Shalini TV. News from the campus.
Welcome back to the weekly Shalini TV News Bulletin, where we get you the latest news stories straight from the campus. I'm Ranika, and here are the news headlines. Shalini placed third in region by SIMAGO. Eminent educationists discuss rankings. University's research article in top 100. Researchers find effective ways to kill weeds. And now, the news in detail. The internationally recognized SIMAGO rankings have placed Shalini University at the 37th All India rank, making it the number 3 in the northern region. Arzu shall give us the complete details.
The internationally recognized SIMAGO World Rankings have placed Shalini University at 37th All India rank, at number 3 in the northern region, comprising of Chandigarh, Haryana, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir and HP. Only Punjab University and PGI, both in Chandigarh, are placed ahead of it. It is certainly a huge achievement for the 11-year-old Shalini University. It also tops in the region with 16th position in the category of research across the country. Shalini University secured first position in chemistry, fourth position in environmental science, and fourth rank in physics and astronomy. It also ranked 12th in energy among other universities in India. These rankings are regarded as one of the most objective since experts evaluate universities and scientific organizations based on international databases. Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla has said that these rankings reflect the hard work put in to make it one of the best universities in the country.
Wow, that's a great achievement indeed. Moving on, the university recently conducted a webinar in collaboration with the Association of Indian Universities to discuss the role and the significance of rankings. Ankita, please proceed.
Shalini University, in collaboration with Association of Indian Universities, Delhi, conducted a webinar titled World University Rankings in Indian Context, which was attended by about 90 vice chancellors and eminent educationists from across the country. The webinar started with a welcome address by Dr. Amrendra Pani, Joint Director and Head Research Association of Indian Universities, who also introduced the panelists of the session to the participants. It was attended by Dr. Mrs. Pankaj Mittal, Secretary General Association of Indian Universities, Dr. Francisco J. Marmaleo, Education Advisor, Qatar, Professor P.K. Khosla, Chancellor Shalini University, Professor Nitin R. Kamlakar, Vice Chancellor Savitribai Phule Pune University, Professor C. Rajkumar, Vice Chancellor O.P. Jindal Global University, Professor Atul Khosla, Vice Chancellor Shalini University, Mr. Ritin Malhotra, Regional Director South Asia at Times Higher Education, Dr. Ashwin Fernandez, Regional Director, QS Middle East, and Professor Ashish Khosla, President and Chief Innovation and Marketing Officer, Shalini University. The focus of the webinar was to discuss the ranking system and how the rankings play an important role in the upgradation of academic culture. It was felt that the rankings are an important part of higher education system, and Indian institutions also need to work towards the improvement in research fundings and collaborations.
Thanks, Ankita. Now, Rohit gives us the details about the International Children's Book Day. Go ahead, Rohit.
Shulini University celebrated International Children's Book Day, organizing various contests like bookmark making, poetry and storytelling. It also includes a book reading competition from Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla autobiography called Tryst with Karma. In the bookmark contest, Kanika Arora from BTech Biotechnology stood first, Palkin Sharma BSc Mathematics second, and the third place winners were Pooja Vaswani of MSc Biotechnology Research and Anushka Jain of BJMC, plus an appreciation award for Simar Puni BTech Foodtech. First place in the poetry content was secured by Arshdeep from BTech, the second place was earned by Tanve from BTech, and the third place by Diksha from MTech Biotech. Students and faculty members were also asked about their favorite childhood bedtime stories.
My favorite bedtime stories were the stories of Winnie the Pooh, especially the stories featuring Winnie the Pooh and Tigger.
Beauty and the Beast.
Alice in Wonderland.
My favorite bedtime stories were राजा रानी की कहानी और उनकी बहुत सारी कहानियाँ.
Favorite story? Three Little Pigs. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow the house down.
स्टोरी कैरेक्टर वाइज आई थिंक मेरा ऑल टाइम फेवरेट तो भाई रस्किन बॉन्ड का विस्लिंग स्कूल बॉय.
My favorite story was the Lakadhara. Honesty is the best policy that gives us the life learning lesson.
The Tales of Akbar and Birbal.
Aladdin and the Magic Lamp.
Lastly, we have winners of storytelling. Asmita from BTech Biotech stood first. Sibiraj BTech Biotech and second place, while the third place secured by Arzma BTech Biotech.
Thanks, Rohit. Moving on. Now we have Nikita telling us about a university research article which has been placed among the top 100 downloaded chemistry papers in 2020. Go ahead, Nikita.
Shulini University research article has been placed among one of the top 100 downloaded chemistry papers in 2020. The article received 2,697 downloads, placing it as one of the top 100, says Scientific Reporters 2020 by Nature Portfolio Journal.
The team has successfully synthesized pure zinc oxide by an eco-friendly method using cannabis sativa leaves.
Professor Rajesh Kumar and Professor Saurabh Kusheshwar, author of the research paper, said that the team was working on the project. It involved eco-friendly synthesis of nanoparticles from the Himalayan natural herbs and plants and developed their own method.
Thanks, Nikita. And now, under our segment, Ideas from Shulini, we have an invention on killing off wild weeds in the fields. Takshita has the information.
Weeds take away nutrients from the soil and impact the nearby growing healthy plants. Faculty of Biological and Environmental Sciences have developed stabilized nano impulsion of weedicides that can kill crowded weeds in the field. The nano emulsion is made from selected allelopathic plants from the Himalayas. This nano emulsion weedicides was tested and found to be successful by Professor Mamta Sharma and Ms. Sheetal Chaudhary, a PhD scholar at the Faculty of Biological and Environmental Sciences.
What a wonderful invention! As you all know, the first Shulini TEDx is happening on April 16, the next Friday. And here are messages from some faculty members.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neeraj Kandotra, working as Associate Professor in Yogananda School of Artificial Intelligence, Computers and Data Sciences.
I, Chandramohan Gupta, welcome you all to the first TEDx series of Shulini University.
It is a matter of great pride and elation that Shulini University is organizing its TEDx event. The theme of the event is also very appropriately thought of. It is metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis is indeed crucial for everyone's life.
The real journey of an individual is from himself to himself. When we go inside, that is when we find our true self.
It's the growth, it is the development, it's the evolution, and which finally leads to the development of the personality and growth of a person.
I am very excited for the global TEDx event that is going to take place for the first time in our premises with eminent speakers from all over the nation who will share their amazing ideas and experiences.
I am very sure the speakers at the TEDx event, the very learning experience from them of also organizing the event would go a long way to further propel the students to organize bigger events. My all the best wishes to them. Thank you.
Kindly save the date, 16th April 2021, Metamorphosis, Shulini University. Thank you very much.
And finally, Radio Shulini shows for the coming week presented by RJ Manan.
Shows that you can listen on Radio Shulini this week are बधाई हो वायरल हुआ है by RJ अभय, फेक मत यार by RJ पुष्प, मेरी कलम से by RJ नंदनी and हेल्दी बातें by RJ रोनिका. Thank you.
That's all for this week. Thanks for watching. We shall bring you the next edition next Friday. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.